are here with your spouse, I'd like you to join hands together. Two hands together with your spouse. Two hands. Your two hands, yes. And look at each other's face. Hallelujah. And you're going to be singing this song one more time. I'd like you to sing the song to your spouse. That I love you and you love me and I won't harm you with words from my mouth. Come on. And sing that to each other. Ready, go. Face and tell each other I love you. I pray for you. Pray for me. I need help. I won't harm you with words from my mouth. Pray for each other right now. Pray for your spouse right now. Pray right now. Pray for each other.